Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Mukesh Sharma. Today topic is how connect servo motor with Arduino board and how use Servo.h library.
First, we need Arduino Mega board, servo motor and few jumper wire and power supply.
Let's quickly make the connection of this project. You follow the circuit introduction available in description box and video.
I already the tight of the screw the wings of the servo motor. Our servo motor has 3 wire. The middle is 5 volt, the brown is ground and the orange wire is the signal wire. The signal wire goes to digital pin number 9. The middle red wire goes to 5 volt and the brown wire goes to ground. Our connection is ready for testing. Let's connect the power supply. You see, our project worked very fine. Our motor rotates the 0 to 180 degree.
Let's quickly start with the code. The code is available in description box. You check down. You copy and paste this code in your Arduino IDE software. First, we include Servo.h library and create any name of the servo motor. For example, I create my servo. Declare the variable. The neutral position of this servo motor is 0. Declare which pin you attach servo motor. For example, I attach PWM pin 9. In this section, we set up the servo angle is increased by 1. In this section, we set up the servo angle is decreased by -1. You compile this sketch. The compiling is finished. Let's quickly upload this code in your Arduino board. The uploading is done. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel for more educational videos.